If you have flat feet, it will be a grave error to wear regular shoes for walking. Choosing a pair of shoes made specifically for flat feet will make your life and feet much more comfortable. At number 5 is the Saucony Tempus, a revolutionary shoe offering a unique running experience. It combines super foam bounce with an adaptive guidance system for peak performance. The full-length Power Run PB cushioning provides exceptional energy return, while the contoured Power Run frame supports your foot upon landing and ensures a smooth transition. Enhanced midsole contouring offers a plush, supportive feel, and the signature midsole geometry ensures a smooth ride from heel to toe. Adaptive lacing and a lightweight midfoot saddle ensure a perfect fit, while the breathable mesh upper enhances comfort. The durable XT900 outsole and recycled upper materials add to its appeal. A PMA certified, the Saucony Tempest is recognized for its significant foot health benefits. Remember, all links to the shoes are there in the description below. At number 4 is the New Balance Fresh Foam Arishi V4, a versatile athletic shoe perfect for any occasion. It features a soft, fresh foam cushioned midsole that provides an ultra-cushioned, lightweight ride, ensuring all-day comfort and performance. The breathable mesh upper, combined with hits of suede and knit, offers both style and functionality. The durable rubber outsole ensures longevity, making it a reliable choice for daily wear. The shoe also boasts a textured logo and embroidered details, adding an elevated, stylish touch. Whether you're working out or going about your day, the fresh foam Arishi V4 fits seamlessly into your active lifestyle. At number 3 is the Asics Gel-Kayano 30, perfect for distances from 5 kilometers to full marathons. This shoe is designed to offer advanced stability and softer cushioning properties. The new 4D guidance system provides adaptive stability, ensuring a supportive and balanced stride during long-distance training. The midsole has been revamped with FF Blast Plus Eco cushioning and a 4mm stack height increase, incorporating approximately 20% bio-based content for cloud-like softness in every step. Additionally, the new Pure Gel technology is strategically positioned below the heel, offering a smoother ride. It is 65% softer than conventional visible gel technology, making your distance training feel surprisingly smooth. At number 2 is the Hoka Arahi 7, a standout stability shoe. It offers streamlined support with Hoka's patented jade frame technology, which prevents excessive inward roll or overpronation without overcorrecting your gait. The Arahi 7 features an updated zonally engineered flat knit upper for improved midfoot lockdown and breathability. Enhancements include a plusher tongue and a stretchy dual gusset beneath the lace line to prevent tongue migration. This design ensures a secure, comfortable fit. Despite its supportive structure, the Arahi 7 remains lightweight and maintains a responsive toe-off, ideal for runners who want to go faster. The combination of protective cushioning and responsive feel makes it a versatile choice for stability and performance. Topping the list at number 1 is the BrooksAdrenaline GTS 23. This men's running shoe has been newly updated with lighter cushioning, offering a perfect balance of support and softness for a smooth ride at any speed. For over 20 years, runners have favored the Adrenaline GTS, and it's easy to see why. Comfort is a priority in these shoes, with guide rails technology that supports by keeping excess movement in check, ensuring you stay in your natural stride even when tired. The new midsole features soft and lightweight DNA Loft V2 cushioning, enhancing comfort further. Additionally, the engineered air mesh upper provides breathability and comfort, while the 3D fit print adds structure. Whether you're running short distances or long, the BrooksAdrenaline GTS 23 offers the reliability and comfort every runner needs. That's it for this countdown of the best shoes for flat feet in 2024. We hope you like these practical high-performance shoes. Do like, share, and subscribe to get more from Up on Top. And also, do leave your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below.